Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your MailChimp account to your Wistia? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your MailChimp to Wistia anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that tracking user data and integrating video into your email is an important part of the business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your mail to Wistia, here on the top right, you're going to click on your company name. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on integrations. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see the MailChimp logo right here. Go ahead and click there. Once you click there, you're going to see this blue connect button. Okay, once you click there, MailChimp will open up the browser, and you want to go ahead and log into your MailChimp account with your MailChimp username and password. Okay, so once you've entered in your credentials, go ahead and click login. Okay, next, MailChimp is going to warn you by connecting your Wistia account to MailChimp, you're going to authorize these permissions. If you're okay with that, click on allow. Okay, quick second later, the Wistia account refreshes, and as you can see, my MailChimp is now connected as primary right here to my Wistia account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your MailChimp to Wistia, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.